Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of OMI app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about OMI app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store and then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.